Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Asphalt 9 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt 9 game on your device, and once it is fully loaded and you are taken into the main menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to end up within the settings page. Now from the game options page, tap on game info, and now you will find the account deletion option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be taken into your web browser page, from which you will need to confirm your account deletion. Now tap on yes, I understand, and then tap on the confirm button, and after following a few more steps of confirmation, your account on your Asphalt 9 game will be deleted right away, and you will be locked out from your account from within the game. If you wish to play the game again, you will need to sign up to a new account or use your other social media accounts in order to sign in. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Asphalt 9 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.